About 10 minutes from shooting time. And it's still dark on this camera. So hopefully I get the great migration that happens early. We'll film here in a second.
Oh, yeah. Hey, how does that thing record without a light on it?
Huh? It's just, you see.
Oh, okay. Hey, on here. I'll say. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm fixing to make some videos.
If Jared can get them called in.
That'd be huge. We'll get them in here, won't we? I hope so. I hope, dude. If they decide they want to cooperate a little bit, we can get them in here. They ain't really even got to want to cooperate.
I cannot believe I could not get the record on it the first one y'all shot. Y'all drop any of them? No. Lord,
I think all we did was scare them.
I guess I'm going to hand y'all the camera and then I'll show y'all how to do that.
Teal behind us.
Ooh.
They're going to come back. It's going to be hard to see. Yeah, it's probably going to be like from the front too. Like they did yesterday? Yeah, that, you know, that second month. Excuse me.
Lordy mercy.
Excuse me. We ate some pintos and some other stuff yesterday. Chili the day before that.
Good Lord.
Or Sunday.
And yeah. I'm downwind a little here.
I got so many clothes on that shouldn't escape. Sir. Like a furnace. I didn't sweat though, dude. As a matter of fact, I got coals on top of the cover. You know what? Got coals. And then I open that door and had the whole outside. You know it? Yeah.
I mean, there ain't no auto.
I don't really think it.
Right through there is where they'll come in at, boys and girls, usually. Coming into that wind to land out on the...
And then I had to get under cover. That was like 2:30.
And you can hear the shooting in the background.
I turned it on. I guess it was auto. It came on. It shut off and it came on one time.
Lot of decoys.
The fan must have run.
Then I got cold. And I turned it back on.
Man, it'd been a perfect match. Well, the windows close enough to shoot?
No. Right here? Oh, they went back.
How's it going? It sounds like you like it pretty good. Yeah. The probably likes us better this year because we've actually given some room for us.
This thing don't zoom worth a crap.
Number 8. Sir?
This got to be a terrible. It's all shaky and ain't getting the camera on in time.
Looks like.
Huh?
It looks like it's pretty good video.
Yeah.
It's easy. I mean, handheld. It's pretty. What's that? A camera or?
Yeah, it's a
Camera
tank
too,
recorder.
then a video camera.
Yeah, it's a video camera.
Might take still pictures too, won't it?
Yeah, it takes two.
That's cool. Hey,
Still gonna
get that on there?
Yeah. It ain't focusing. That sucks. There we go. I know what that is. Oh, there's a single below it.
Yeah, that other one wasn't hot. That other one was sucking it up. Still pick that up.
Oh yeah, I'm getting up on that big group out there.
Oh, where's? Don't look up with your mouth open. Go up your mouth. Oh. Hey, if we ain't got no much ground tomorrow.
Where did the duck go? There he is. Oh God, there's like 6 or 7 of them swimming down there. There's probably 10 swimming down there. Look, Jerry.
Really?
Look at all them ducks. There's 2 Susies and 2 greenheads that I can see.
What y'all doing down there? Yeah, I see that.
See, there's 4 of them.
I can see the water rippling. You gonna do what? Think you go down with the burnt wood? Yeah.
No, there's 3 greenheads.
I like the decoy. It's pretty good. Next year we have enough to do it. We ain't gonna have enough stuff. We're gonna go all out there.